Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and I'm really excited to share today's video with you. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me keep making great content for you. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, we have a graph and this is a parabola and we are looking for the value of y coordinate of the vertex of this parabola. Okay. As you may know, the general form of quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constant and a is non-zero. Okay, the first step is to find y-intercept of this graph. What is y-intercept? The y-intercept is this point, so y-intercept is -2 and y-intercept is the point that the graph meets the y-axis. This graph meets the y-axis and this point is the intersection point, and in this point x equals 0, so we can write we have a point here 0 and -2, and we can substitute these x 0 and -2 into the equation and solve for c, because when you substitute this, y is -2, x is 0, so a times 0 is 0, b times 0 is 0, and we can find c. And c is -2 here. In fact, you can directly find the value of c just by finding the point which is the intersection point of y-axis and the graph. Okay, and the next step is to find x-intercepts. We have two x-intercepts here, this point, -1 and +3, because these points are the points where the graph meets the x-axis. Okay, so -1 and +3. Okay, using these 2 points, we can find the middle point between them, which is the x-coordinate of the vertex, because we have the middle point here, and we can draw a line which is line of symmetry. And in that point, we can find the x-coordinate of the vertex. Because x-coordinate is between -1 and +3, we just need to find the average of these 2 points. So x of vertex is -1 plus 3 divided by 2, which is 1. Okay, and the line of symmetry is x equals 1, a vertical line that passes through x equals 1. So far so good. And the next step is to use 2 other points, these 2 points, and substitute the x and y coordinates of these 2 points into the equation. So let's call this point A, and the coordinates of A is 0 and -1, and if we call this B, B is 0, -1 and 0, and 3 and 0, and substitute into the equation, this equation. Okay, so 0 equals a times -1 squared plus b times -1 plus c, and c is -2. Okay, and 0 equals a times 3 squared, b times 3 minus 2, and I'm going to simplify these two equations. 1a minus b, and we can take -2 to the other side of the equation and change the sign to +2. And the same story for 3 squared is 9a plus 3b is +2. Okay, and I'm gonna multiply the first equation by 3. I'm gonna use elimination method for solving this system of equation. So 3a minus 3b is 6, and 9a plus 3b is 2. Okay, and if we add this to equation, 3a plus 9 is 12a. These two cancel out, and 8. A is 8 over 12, which is 2/3. Okay, and substitute the value of a into one of the equation. The first one is simple, to solve for b. So a minus b is 2, 2/3 minus b is 2, so b is 2/3 minus 2, which is -4/3. So far so good. And the last step is to substitute a, b, and c into the original equation. So y is a x squared plus b x plus c, and c is -2. Okay, this is the equation of the parabola, but we were looking for the value of y coordinate of the vertex. So the vertex is at 1, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 1 and an unknown. Okay, so we just need to substitute 1 into this equation and solve for y. Y is 2/3 1 squared minus 4/3 times 1 minus 2. 2/3 minus 4/3, and instead of 2 I'm gonna write -6/3. To -8/3. So this is the value of y and the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.